learning organization, essentially it means in the organization everybody learns, succeed in what they do. Learning organization helps doing better agile. We need to develop people so that they are continuously learning. When someone joins in the organization, say anywhere from 0 to 1 year, usually they will be specialist individuals. They would be good in probably either coding or testing or analysis, any of these activities that probably they are passionate about. After 1 year or so, say usually 2 to 3 years, the members of the team needs to improve their skills. In addition to this specialist I skill, they need to become a generalist also. Mean generalized specialist. Someone who is very good in coding is now good in probably in analysis also. That's what is T-shaped skill mean. Over the period of year or two, in addition to the existing experience, say 3+ years of experience, individuals should become super skilled. Mean they are good not only in one area or one skill, they are getting better in other skills too, like you see testing, database, analysis too, in addition to coding. That is known as super skilled, which we call E-shaped skill. This is how individuals in agile teams need to develop to help build business agility.